Polite words and expressions in Spanish. No matter what your mother tongue is, the simple words of politeness always go a long way. These Spanish phrases will surely come in handy during the conversation if you don't want to offend anyone. Thank you. Gracias. Gracias. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. You're welcome. Or, no problem. De nada. De nada. Please. Generally used at the end of a sentence. Por favor. Por favor. Excuse me. Perdón. Perdón. Excuse me. To apologize in advance for being a bit of a bother. Disculpe. Disculpe. Sorry. To apologize for a mistake. Lo siento. Lo siento. Thanks for the watching.